Hey cosmetology instructors, how's it going? Okay, so today is our first salon day trial. So it's just so that the students kind of get a hang of what do we do, get them excited. Last year we had a lot of cancellations with our salon days because students would just not participate. So hopefully this year is a little bit different. And so they learned paraffin dip yesterday. They're gonna offer paraffin dip today. We're not charging. It's not even the open season for our budget, so we're not charging. They're just bringing in like a mom or sister, brother or dad, someone just to come and try it out on. I did it to them yesterday in class, and then today they're gonna do it to somebody, but that's gonna be after school. So usually I'd have that happen during the school day, but I thought, you know what, let me just try this out to see if it works. Because again, the problem I had last year was that we had low participation in salon days. So how do I fix that? So I'm trying to work through that. I know that to fix that issue is going to be a little bit beyond me. That's not the only person I can work on this to make it better. So I'm going to work on that. But I am filling up the paraffin machine. So I'm going to show you. Filling up the paraffin machine with these awesome paraffins. So this is green tea, this is rose, then we have, this is pomegranate, and in this other, let me see, right here, we have lavender, and then we have, what's the other one that I have in there is lavender, and I just put aloe vera. So when you're doing, like, we have this whole service treatment that is rose. I'm gonna save this one for that. Then you can have scented paraffin. Now I had to dig, when I say dig, I mean dig, through Amazon to find this, because I can only find peach, scent-free, or lavender at like the nail supplies. But I found me some, and I ordered all of the scents that came in. So I'm gonna show you how I open them. So I'm gonna take because it does have like the little slit right here where you can cut it, but it doesn't work and it's very messy. So over a trash can or over my wax machine, I'm gonna cut the outer edges, and I have these little scissors that I use only for paraffin. So I'm holding my little plastic here and I'm cutting over my paraffin machine. Put it over, here's a little tray. And then I'm gonna make a Y, so I'm gonna go straight down the middle and I'm gonna make a Y or V shape here. So again, cutting over the top of my surface. In case paraffin falls, then it falls in my container. So then I have this, again, Y shape. Then I peel the sides, here if I move it this way a little bit. And I can pull gently. And you do have to move slow because it does kind of flake out of the way, and it just gets everywhere. So I'm gonna pull the corners out, and then my paraffin comes out super easy. I make zero mess. I want to make a little mess because of all little flakes and stuff, but it's zero mess. And then I can go ahead and have it in here, and then it melts. And so by the time I get to after school, then the machine will be ready. So I didn't leave it on yesterday because I didn't want the custodians to accidentally move this cart and then the paraffin wax slip over. So I started it this morning. So, and I added 2 more bars of the lavender paraffin, and then this one is the aloe vera. See that aloe vera there? And then the bottom is not dirty. Okay, I've tried to clean it, but it's kind of like just burnt. I tried cleaning it, but it wouldn't come off. But so the aloe vera. So those machines there are like super old. Oh, this is our paraffin little trolley. The mitts are down here, and then we have scrapers. So these are really great to have. I ordered these off of Amazon a long time ago, and when they spill on the floor, you just scrape it, and it works out really great. And then our booties and our plastic gloves. I do need to take more gloves out because we did run our bags out because we did run out. But so yeah, so I have one more to fill up, so it's gonna be that bottom one. I'm gonna put the rose one in there, so that way we have different options for students. All right, hey cosmetology instructors, let me turn this off before I get flagged. Okay. Oh, it's been a day. Today's Thursday. Thursdays are lunch duty days. this morning I woke up late because I snoozed. That's just what I did. And I was like, you know what? I'll just, I don't want to spend the time at home, fix my hair. I'll just throw it up in a ponytail, and when I get to school, I'll do something with it. No, because then I start working on something and I don't have time anyway. So that was this morning. So it was a rush start this morning. And then I had to pull out, let me show you. Let me turn this around. Today we did transfers, so this is a mess because I haven't even gone through this. I had to pull all the transfers out and set all the stuff up, so I was like, it's this or my hair, and it was this one. So that is the 5-minute bell. The kids are about to get here. Okay, so we did transfers today, and let me see if I can find the nail. I have the recording of the video, so I will post that. Oh look, here's a figure. We used a silicone finger today, and I taught them how to do the transfers from the transfer foil, and then gave them a project. So tomorrow their project, and I'm putting it together, which I don't know why I think of these ideas that cause me 10 times more work, but they're gonna get a little packet, and it has like little Barbie pre-fabricated, meaning that they pre-made, they buy it at the store. So the theme is Barbie, so they're gonna get one of these, and I'm gonna put little rhinestones and diamonds, and then transfer foil, and then glitter, just things that they're gonna be able to use. They can only use what's in this packet to put on their nail. So got my little stuff. I went to lunch duty, was helping Mr. Barbie learn Spanish, which he's our criminal justice instructor. He's going to Spain, and so I was doing that and talking to him at the same time. So then I came back for today, first time that we're going to be covering our tables. So I put the roll out and teach them how to do. I cut it too short, but I like them to cover the entire table. It helps us protect the tables because tables get pretty beat up between 9th and 10th grade. And so then I brought out the gel for the unicorn snot. They have their spatulas, their mixing cups. These are just little medicine mixing cups. And then this is the product final container that they're gonna actually take home. Then they're gonna get to pick some of the glitters that are in here. We are missing a lot of these glitters, so we'll talk about that. And then we've got some gloves. So as far as what we're doing in class, that's it there. So I've got my setup here and the paper I'm going to talk about. I've got the better quality glitter, but just for them we're going to work with the cheaper quality glitter. Got the table set up and the camera on, and I went ahead and had them write down or wash their hands and whatnot. I do need to put these things away, but I do want to have this available for the project for tomorrow so they can use this. I brought all of my little gem. We're gonna work on this tomorrow for the students of placing gems on their paper. And then I brought all of my stencils. So stencils and gems. I thought we were gonna start history cosmetology next week, but I'm gonna have to finish some of the face painting stuff. And then I went ahead and put away, they should have taken that home today to clear this area, but that is the end of the 3 weeks tomorrow, so that should have gone home today, or I'm just gonna throw it away if it stays there. And then, because if they didn't take it, obviously they didn't want it. And so then the gels that we used for the transfer foil and whatnot, so busy. But hey, my pants are really cool. I didn't get to record while I was at lunch duty because I was doing the Spanish class with Mr. Barbo. But yep, so the bell just rang. Kids are gonna be here any minute. I've gotta go. We have a faculty meeting after school, so I gotta do that, and I gotta sit with a new AV teacher. He's new and wants to get into Skills USA, so I'm gonna sit with him, talk about that while the meeting starts, do the meeting, and then run home. Okay, catch you later, bye. Hey guys, so in between when the students are coming in, I'm gonna show you what the students are doing. They're over there getting their stuff done. So I'm over here trying to get these packages together for the nail project that they have tomorrow. So tomorrow they're doing a Barbie themed nail. So I have the pre-done stickers, the little nail foil, and then some gems. And so I've been trying to package this all day long and I haven't been able to finish. So while they're setting up their stuff, I'm trying to just multitask and get it all together. So just wanted to share the progress with you for today.
An additional or a special assignment.
All right, hey guys, I am so sorry I did not get to record anything. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I was sitting there in the meeting. Such a long meeting. Y'all, it's like 4:11. I need to go pick up my kid. Jesus. So I got my little basket. I cannot take this home because my child will have glitter all over the entire house. So I'm gonna leave it here. I didn't even get to come. I was thinking, oh, I'll come and finish and clean up and pick up. Yeah, right. I'm gonna get my juice for my kid and his snack. I could use the bathroom so bad, y'all. That meeting, oh my gosh, that was brutal. It's just we had like two presenters or something. Chocolate. Oh no, I could have done that. I'm so sorry. So we had two presentations. So bad. We had two presentations and it just took for a long time. It took forever. When I left in the meeting, I wanted to come back and clean up my nail stuff and clean up my facial stuff, my makeup stuff. I wanted to put that stuff away. I wanted to clear my desk. I didn't get anything done. Our budget opens tomorrow, so I need to take my computer home to finish my Amazon orders so I can place those tomorrow so I can get my stuff quicker. And glitter all over me. I wanted to flat iron these things. My little bags are ready for tomorrow's Barbie themed nail project that the students are going to be doing. I don't know.